DC inverter air conditioner integrates solar PV technology with DC inverter air conditioning technology. Mainly, it is divided into two modes. One is called 100% solar mode, and the other is called solar hybrid mode. The 100% solar mode is usually called 48 VDC independent solar air conditioner. One, hybrid mode in daytime. Solar full DC inverter air conditioner can work alone in daytime if solar radiance is strong enough. Most solar energy powers air conditioner together with grid in daytime. Solar hybrid air conditioner is widely used at places with high electricity rates. Two, hybrid mode in the evening. In the evening, solar full DC inverter air conditioner is powered by grid alone, and solar energy takes a break. Three, 100% solar mode in daytime. In daytime, full DC inverter air conditioner is powered by 48-volt battery bank through solar aircon controller, and meanwhile, solar energy charges the 48-volt battery bank with high-efficient MPPT function through solar aircon controller too. Four, 100% solar mode in the evening. In the evening, full DC inverter air conditioner is still powered by 48-volt battery bank through solar aircon controller, but solar energy takes a break.